तो मैम आजकल एक और भी बड़ा क्रेज़ है इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग का. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट?
It helps. It has both positive and negative. It really depends on who and what your health goals are. What are you trying to achieve? It works great. Fasting itself is good, both water and it's
Yes.
should be done in a cyclical way, not long term. These kind of things. It can have some not so good health effects also, but giving that body to rest and digest, keeping those cycles going, I think it is a positive thing overall if done in the right way, understanding how to do with the proper guidance, it should be fine.
हैबिट फॉर्मेशन बड़ा ज़रूरी है, लेकिन होता नहीं है. तो हम क्या करें हैबिट फॉर्मेशन के लिए? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज वो सेंट्रल है कि आप अपने आप को किस तरह से आप डी कोड री कर सकते हो. तो कैसे करें आप हैबिट्स को हम कैसे फॉर्म करें?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, वेरी प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन है, एंड यही है वो लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट्स देते हैं. तो इसमें हमने थोड़ा ब्रेकअप करके लिखा है बुक में, सेंटर फोल्ड में थोड़ा बोल्ड में है, 3 कैटेगरीज में कर सकते हैं. जो फिज़िकली हमको क्या करना चाहिए, फिज़िकल हैबिट्स, डॉक्टर शंकर हैबिट्स ऐसे टाइटल में है. एंड एनवायरमेंटली हमको जो ट्रिगर देता है वो एनवायरनमेंट है, तो उसको थोड़ा क्लीन अप करेंगे तो हमको क्यूज़ नहीं मिलेंगे ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना नहीं करना है. एंड मेंटली मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, मेंटल माइंड रीसेट. सो इन सब कैटेगरीज में पॉइंट्स है, तो उसमें क्या आपको अप्लाई करता है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंड एंड अडेप्ट इट. एंड हैबिट फॉर्म होने में टाइम लगता है, अबाउट 21 days. सो इट्स बेसिकली अ बैटल बिटवीन द कॉन्शियस माइंड एंड द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. what your brain, frontal brain, conscious mind is thinking should automatically be taken up by the subconscious mind, become basal. That's when it happens. Most research says it takes about 21 days to form a habit, and if you continue to do it up to 90 days, 21-90 rule jo bolte hain, it is hard to get rid of it. It becomes so ingrained. So it's good to set some smart goals, work on it. We have some specific programs for this, if you want to look up on the website, where we do that coaching and hand holding initially. Because the book is a lot of information, but many times the transformation happens when you have that kind of hand holding and coaching which is needed. But good place to start is do some introspection. Think about what you are, first understand what are the right things, and think about what it is that you can do and you want to do. Match it up with your health goals and make a process for yourself which you can reach that. So अच्छी habits are always the way.
आपसे मैम जाते जाते मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछने की मुझे टेम्पटेशन हो रही है कि आजकल बहुत सुपर फूड्स की बात होती है. मोरिंगा इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ सुपर फूड. करी लीव्स के लोग बहुत पाउडर बनाते हैं. तो क्या ये भी एक फैड है? इज देयर सम रियलिटी टू इट?
Okay, I think superfood is something which is food and it is super. It is super in some micronutrient density. It has a lot of good things in it. So if it will be great if there is a natural way or a wholesome way to take that without needing to take it in a multivitamin tablet form. That is how this whole funda or hype or marketing thing has come about, I think, for superfoods. We can list many. We can list, I think, like I said, there is nothing which is not super. सब में तो कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है.
एक्चुअली
तो हमको जो आदत से पड़ गई है, what is in our normal diet which we are eating, itself has a lot of basic good things, and each one is a superfood if you look at it like that. But there are few other things which pop out, stand out, and maybe also has a economic angle to it. People are maybe growing that, or unka bhi thoda like dynamics hoga for them to promote it specifically and market it there. But traditionally, curcumin, which is turmeric, ginger, garlic, moringa, drumstick, of course, every part of that plant
yes,
has
it's called the
value.
miracle tree.
Miracle tree. A lot of other things are on the top 20, you would say, which are very high in a micronutrient density. Could be vitamins, could be minerals, could be protein, or could be an anti-inflammatory component, which kind of a polyphenol or these kind of things, which gives them that extra star rating, I would say.